Hi, it's Nick. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product called EndGame. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is this product called EndGame. And EndGame is just a training course will take you as giving you a new how you can successful in affiliate marketing as a super affiliate. Even if you're a newbie, this is also a training called James will walk you through step by step how you can make it also very powerful and also and even if you're a newbie, no experience, you will help you to more success in affiliate marketing by affiliate marketing. So what is so if you are interested in this product, how you can make more successful with affiliate marketing in this training course, please stay with me. So as you can see in the sales page, is also you have a secret commission breakthrough method pocket estimate about $2,000 daily on autopilot. Here's how to count our success in 20 minutes. No experience, no hard work. Even if you are on a shoestring budget. Virtually, that is also unknown brand new method with full step-by-step training. This is also a very, and I will also please stay with me. I also will go through inside the members area. There's ton of information and video training course will take you step by step how you can set up everything. Then after you set up everything is okay and automatically and then you simply just to send traffic. That's it. Send traffic to your opt-in page to build your data. Other than that, you can also do the money installer. Other than and you can also to send anywhere any affiliate product you want. But it is also you can use let's follow the step-by-step training video inside the members area. And this is also the fastest way you have never seen. It is also also still work. This also is work in 2021 and beyond. You can raise and repeat. Set and forget autopilot income system because you have everything set up and then simply to drive traffic. So in order to help you to make more commission and also to help you to make more money on online, I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Let's go to my bonus page. The bonus number one, you will get instantly get a free system. This system that will help you to make 12 income streams. Most of them are recurring income that you will get paid month after month. The bonus number two, okay, the bonus number two, the bonus number two, you will get a free training. This is how you can start your affiliate marketing business under 2 hours. Bonus number three, you will get a free membership and you just give away and get paid if they pick up upsell, if they pick up any solo ad package. Bonus number four, you will have how to make $100 a day using the free Facebook traffic. Bonus number five, you will get 2 traffic generation superhead. That is how to get 100 of a daily visitor to any website very fast. Bonus number 6, you will get 7 top SMS marketing tips. All of them have as mobile. Why use this SMS marketing to promote anything you want? Bonus number 7, you will get 2 training courses, affiliate advantage and affiliate army profit. Bonus number 6, you will get a free report, 5 ways to increase your affiliate commission. Other than that, you can also get all my exclusive bonus. Exclusive bonus if you pick up the front end. But if you pick up any upsell, I also included 6 more exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus fund, LinkedIn auto post. This is also you can help you to auto post on your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another social media platform, and this is also a very powerful. Most of them are business, so you can get a very high quality list from LinkedIn social media platform. OTO bonus number 2, you will wide social share and locker. That is also you can more exposure on on all the social platform and get you viral visitor multiple share 嘅 button 啦 ，different display 啦，follow 嘅 button 啦，social contact 嘅 locker 啦。OTO bonus fee you will get another WordPress 嘅 Word Transformer. There's also the WordPress plugin 啦。There's also transfer your website into lead generation 啦，and you can build your list 啦。When you have much more 嘅 bigger and faster 嘅 and target 嘅 list 啦 in your website 啦。OTO bonus forward you will get my 25嘅 email spread 啦。If you know how to write your email, this also will help you much more. OTO bonus provide you will get a puzzle box profit. You will get a 9 video that will walk you through how you can make money by publishing your low content book on Amazon. OTO bonus 6 you will get my last bonus. There's also exclusive bonus package. You will have 5 sections. Free training course, free marketing software, free variable report, freebies to download, and free workshop you can register. All of the workshop will help you to make more money online. If you pick up any upsell of you will get my 6 exclusive bonus OTO bonus. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first link you will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, press any blue button, go through the sales page, and you will get all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior. So please stay with me. Let's jump to the members area of EndGame. First of all, you can assist tons of video. First of all, there's also the welcome email. There's also introduction for James, and also you can also to work with James, Mark and James is his partner. Mark, you can work with Mark and James and how to get 10K in 30 days. There's also because they also have a very exclusive 6 weeks extensive workshop. You can work with them and you can even if a newbie how you can take you to the super affiliate. That's also a very powerful way. And when you join his exclusive workshop, and also included in the last upsell, but I always will read to you in later. And the next section is case study. This case study James will walk you through what is walk you through and their income proof. There's also the list building. There's also about the email marketing. There's also the money is the list installer. There's also email marketing is the most powerful way. Importance of the list building and also have 6-7 steps. Step 1 file product, file the hot offer. How to build step 2 build a solid list building funnel. Step 3 bridge page. Bridge page is also you can have a bridge page pre-sell your affiliate product. Step 3A setting up the tracking and optimization is also you can use software called ClickMetric to track your result and also to get your any action as well as to check your sales conversion. Step 4 is the list building rotator method. You can also other than you can use ClickMetric to rotate different affiliate offer to test which one is more conversion. Integration with autoresponder. Step 5. Step 6 setting up your automation sequence, also the email follow-up series. Step 7 send traffic to your list building funnel. There's also everything is set up. You just to simply and send traffic to your opt-in page and then to the bridge page pre-sell and then the bridge page and then will sell the affiliate program. And after they don't buy they will get into the autoresponder and after that you have to set up the follow-up series and they will send you back to the affiliate offer. There's even if you buy in the first page, there's also how you can do that. And this is also the traffic. What is the they will have how to drive traffic to your opt-in page. List building social media. There's also another unique way. Introduction of social media list and audience building. They also have 4 steps. Step 1 is to create your Facebook group. Step 2 you use chat box to drive traffic to your Facebook group. Step 3 using your Facebook group as a bonus and also as a bonus to anybody to opt in and you can join the Facebook and you can also to promote any offer and inside the Facebook. But as you can as reminder to you you must make more variable 嘅variable information before you sell anything because they know, like and trust you. There's also much increase your sales conversion. Step 4, leverage your Facebook group and for commission. And then the next section is high ticket integration. High ticket integration is also you can make other than 10 or $12 from affiliate offer. Other than you can promote high ticket, you can at least 50% commission. You will get at least 200, 500 and even $1,000 and commission just for one per sale. Finding hot ticket offer. How you can find taking offer they will show you inside the quick banner. Integrating a high taking offer into email marketing is also you can integrate the email swipe to promote high taking offer. Integrating high taking offer into social media is also to create a sequence of chat box a sequence to promote your high taking offer. How to qualify list for high ticket offer. This is also this is also a very unique way to qualify they are interested in your high ticket offer. And the next section is EndGame bonus. You will get all the exclusive bonus inside this area. And also they have the EndGame upgrade. If you have a pick up and upsell, you can upgrade inside the members area. If you have any problem, you can send the support. That is what you will get inside the members area. This is also you can see this is also a very powerful. This is also how you can build your the money is from email marketing. There's also a unique way social media and also to high ticket integration. There's also you can make more money by promoting high ticket and also have some exclusive bonus for you and you pick up. So I also revealed to you what is their price and upsell as well and I want so please stay for me. So just the front end is $12.95. They also when you plug into it, you also have front end profit is also 65K per month. EndGame master classes is just for $9.95. If you want to pick up this, also have a in and out and also you have the live training training to answer question. That you also this is also just for $10. You can pick up This is also a very easy for you to answer in the live call. Upsell number 1 profit automator $37. They also have the $27 downsell. They also have the secret swipe asset that's turned into the buyer consistent. This also you can tap into their email swipe. Then how you can make money from this email swipe. $27 downsell. I highly recommend you can grab it and also you can put it into the auto response follow up series. Option number 2 is done for you package $197. They also have when you have the instant to the done for you assets and then you can set up when you can then you set up and you are ready to go and just for a minute to set up and you can have the two kick package and also to promote produce affiliate promotion. This is also a much more easy 24 hours a day when you create this setup. Upsell number 3 10x bundle $47, $27. I highly recommend you can grab it because when you get this they will have the secret training and the asset then will 10x your any affiliate promotion on complete autopilot just for $27. You will 10x your result. Upsell number 2 unlimited traffic. I also recommend $197. Downsell $97. I also recommend it because traffic is the most important thing. If no traffic, you can build your list and nobody can see your affiliate link and you can make money. You can have the multiple unit. We also have the provide multiple and unique method to tap into the traffic source and they will have will turn into the hard coding high-end buyer traffic to any offer. This is also a very powerful. Just for $97, you will have unlimited traffic to the different traffic sources. Upsell number 5, you will get reseller bundle $97, $67. If you get access to every single one of their products and 100% commission, this product convert much more the proven converter. This also to double your money as an affiliate as either I just for the 15% commission. If you grab this reseller one, you will keep 100% commission. This is not also just for this. This is also to all of them. Every single one of their product. It also this is also not only the one or two. It is also at least four and even five. I'm not sure that is also have the 3 or 4 product that you can sell it and keep 100% commission just for $67. This is also to help you to make more commission other than affiliate just for 50% commission. Upsell number 6, the last upsell that I'm also mentioned in the welcome email is all breakthrough affiliate mastery $67. They also have the speed payment $397 for 2 payment. There's also the game pay, but there's also the free sheet pet and coaching program. They will offer to nail you and help you to force into the super affiliate over a 6-week intensive training program. They also do live training. They also jam to done for you material. There's also to help you to if you want to shortcut to the super affiliate marketing and in this niche, so you can pick up this program. If you can also have the speed payment to $397. So if you want to speed up your super affiliate marketing result, you can pick up this program. This is also a very exclusive website. You can work with the James and partner Mark. So I recap what my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will get my free system 12 income stream. Bonus number 2, free training start your affiliate marketing business under 2 hours. Bonus number 3, free membership giveaway and get paid. Bonus number 4, you will get my $100 a day with free Facebook traffic. Bonus number 5, you will get 2 traffic generation super how to get 100 daily visitor. Bonus number 6, 7 top XML marketing tips. Bonus 7, you will 2 training course about affiliate marketing. Bonus number 6, report how to 5 ways to increase affiliate commission. This is just for the pick up fund end. If you pick up any upsell, you will get my 6 OTO bonus. OTO bonus number 1, LinkedIn auto post machine. OTO bonus number 2, viral social share and locker. OTO bonus number 3, WordPress word transformer. OTO bonus number 4, 25 email spoiler. OTO bonus 5, puzzle box profit. OTO bonus 6, it will also an exclusive bonus package, include free training course, free marketing software, free valuable report, freebies to download, and free register to register. All of the register will help you to make more money online. So, thanks for taking time to check out my EndGame and review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to try my other playlists, including multiple stream of income, marketing tips, and make money online tips. And also, don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. I also included 2 training courses, 2 additional training, 1 free report, and 5 exclusive websites, which all of them will help you to make more money online. So don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.